All right, peeps, homies, and all the G's all out there. What up, dough? I just got the rib tip meal in so many layers of mac and cheese. Let's try them out, see what they taste like. I've heard good reviews on Facebook about this place, so let's check them out. All right, we're gonna try the famous rib tips, as they say. They look very meaty. Do they melt off the bone? Let's take a look. Yes. Very good. Very, very good. Melts in your mouth. Barbecue sauce is pretty good. A little tangy. Reminds me of a good old cookout. Very good. Everybody playing some DJ Jazzy Jeff and eating all around. Oh, the good old days. Man. Definitely check them out. What up, dough? I think that's how you pronounce it. All right, we're gonna try the 5 cheese mac and cheese. I think it's 5 or 7 layer cheese, mac and cheese. Really good. Very, very good. The whole place, the rib tips, the mac and cheese, I give it 5 gold chains out of 5 gold chains. What up, dough? Food truck, check it out, really good.